Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a habit tracker in Google Sheets with Claude AI. To begin, open your browser and search for Claude AI Sign In. From the search results, select the Claude Sign In page and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can create one first before continuing. Make sure you are fully signed in so you can start a new conversation without interruptions. Once you are inside Claude, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click New Chat. This gives you a fresh workspace, which is helpful when you want Claude to focus on one specific task. In this case, that task is creating a simple habit tracker you can use in Google Sheets. In the message box, type a request asking Claude to help you make a habit tracker in Google Sheets. A clear prompt works best here, so you can ask for a simple table layout for daily habit tracking for a student or beginner. This is useful because it tells Claude the style and level of complexity you want. Keeping your request simple usually leads to a cleaner and easier to use result. After typing your prompt, click the arrow button on the right side of the message box to send it. Claude will then process your request and generate the habit tracker content for you. Give it a moment to finish. Once the response is ready, review the result carefully so you understand what has been created. At that point, look near the top for the Google Drive icon. If it is available, click it to go directly to Google Sheets. This can be the quickest way to move your generated content into a spreadsheet format. If needed, you can also download the file first and then open it manually in Google Sheets instead. If you are opening it manually, start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets and choose Blank Spreadsheet to create a new sheet. Once the blank sheet opens, go to the File menu in the top left corner, then select Open. From there, choose the file you downloaded and upload it into Google Sheets. After the file opens, your habit tracker should be available in the sheet and ready to use. From here, you can start tracking daily habits in a simple and organized way. And that's it. You now have a habit tracker created with the help of Claude AI and opened in Google Sheets.